Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the exact photo you want to share. Choose a clear JPG or PNG and keep it under 5 MB so it loads quickly. Next, upload it to a reliable image host or cloud folder and make sure the file is set to public or has a shareable link. Once done, obtain the direct image URL. This is the link the QR code will point to. Without a direct image link, many QR scanners will not display the photo correctly. Now generate the QR. Open a reputable QR generator and choose URL as the content type because you are linking to an online image. Paste the direct image URL and pick an error correction level like M or Q so minor damage won't break scanning. Also set image size and quiet zone, larger, and with margin improves reliability. Finally, download the QR as PNG for raster use or SVG for scalable print. Make sure the file remains uncompressed to preserve scanning fidelity. Finish by rigorously testing the QR with several phones and scanner apps, scanning from different angles and distances to confirm reliability. Then deploy. Embed the QR on web pages or print it. For print, keep the code at least 5 to 2 inches on small items and maintain high contrast between code and background. If scanning fails, check the URL points directly to an image, verify hosting permissions, and ensure the QR has sufficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.